Hi, and welcome to the House of Mouth. Today I'm going to show you how to fit your thermoforming whitening trays at home. First things first, thermoforming whitening trays are a simple, cost-effective, entry-level option designed to provide a fit similar to a chemist bought mouthguard. Before we begin, please take a moment to read the safety notes included in your instruction booklet. It's very important to note that thermoforming trays are only suitable for use with whitening gels up to 6% hydrogen peroxide or 18% carbamide peroxide. Any higher strength gels must only be used with custom fit whitening trays, as that will help prevent any unnecessary tooth sensitivity and gum irritation. So let's get to it. First, pour about 10 centimeters of boiling water into a heat-proof bowl and let it cool for roughly 1 to 2 minutes, so it's still warm but not super hot. Hold the first thermoforming tray by the small tab and fully submerge it in the warm water for no longer than 3 to 6 seconds. You'll start to see it soften and wilt, and that's exactly what we want. Once the tray is pliable, remove it from the water and briefly let it cool so it's comfortable to touch. Then, place the tray over your teeth and bite down firmly. While gently biting, use your finger to press the tray snugly against your teeth, both front and back, to get a good imprint of your front and back teeth. Next, close your lips and lightly suck the excess water out from the inside tray for roughly 5 to 10 seconds. This suction, and along with the cooling, will help it harden into the new fit and shape of your teeth. Now, remove the tray and check how it fits. If needed, you can repeat the heating and molding process using the same tray for a better fit. Alternatively, if you're happy with it, trim off the holding tab with scissors for added comfort. This extra step is completely optional. Now, repeat the exact same process for your lower teeth tray so both arches are fitted. If you do have a spare tray, feel free to also use that tray as well. Once fitted, your trays are now ready for whitening gel. Always follow the gel's specific safety and wear time guidance in the instruction book or instructions which have been provided to you by us or alternatively your dental professional. You can find all instructions on our website if you do need another copy of them. And that's it, your thermoforming trays are ready to go and to use with your whitening gel. If you have any questions, check the full instruction book included with your order or contact our team today and we'll be more than happy to help. All the best with your whitening and all the best on your oral care and teeth whitening journey.